Hey guys, my name is Bhaskar and in this video I'm going to teach you 3 Premiere Pro tips that is going to take your editing to the next level. So let's get this video started with the first tip. So the first tip that I have for you is nesting. Let's say you're editing a particular video and you're making a lot of cuts to it. Let's say you're keeping the best parts, you're removing the parts that you do not want in your particular video. The result is your video is now divided into 10, 15 different little segments of the same clip. Now that is fine, you have made all the changes, but now let's say you want to color grade your particular videos. So the problem you're gonna have is that your video now is divided into a lot of different segments, and to color grade this entire video you have to color grade each and every little segment of your entire video, and that is gonna take a lot of time. So what you need to do, all you have to do is select all your clips, right click on them and click on nest. Name your nest, and now you have a single file which contains all the different segments that you just edited, and you can easily make changes or add an effect to your particular clips now. So that is the power of nesting, and that is an amazing trick that you should definitely know. Now the next tip that I have for you is layer locking. Let's consider the previous example. You have made lots of cuts to your videos, you're editing it, you're refining it, and now you want to color grade it. And to do that you have to nest your video, right? But in this example, let us consider you have other files also. Let's say on top of your video layer, you have an adjustment layer. Below your video layer, let's say you have an audio layer. Now what is going to happen when you're going to try to select all the different segments of your clip, your adjustment layer and your music layer is also getting selected, right? Now that is frustrating because you just want to nest your video, not your adjustment layer or your music file. So how do you do that? You use locking. Click on this lock icon in your timeline and lock the adjustment layer and the music file. And now when you try to select your video files, you will notice only the video file that is unlocked is being selected and the layers that are locked are not selected. So that is a great trick that you can use by locking your layers and doing the required editing that you want. For the third and the final tip, unlinking your layer. You might have noticed when you import a particular video and put it onto your timeline from either the source monitor or your program monitor, you will notice your video and the audio, they come together combined as one particular file. And you will notice if you try to make a change to your video file, that change is also reflected in your audio file. Let's say you want to trim down your video file, you will notice that same trimming is happening to the audio file too. Now you do not want that, you just want to edit one of these particular layers. So how do you do that? It's very simple. All you have to do is right click on your video, go to this option called Unlink and click on it. What this is going to do, this is going to unlink your video file and your audio file. Now the changes you make to your video file is only going to apply to the video file and not the audio file, and that is the power of unlinking your video and your audio file. So this is it for this video, guys. If you like this video, then definitely give this video a thumbs up. Press the subscribe button, hit the bell notification. It gives me a lot of encouragement to make more videos and bring it to you guys. Also let me know in the comment section down below which was your favorite tip. So take care guys, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.
Then wake up thinking that you're still mine. I look across and expect to see your face. Then remember you're 1,000 miles away.